Hey guys, what's up? You can see this is our topology. Okay, so you can see this is our three router and two PC. So I can configure this route three router and two PC. Okay. So first of all, we configure this PC. So go to our PC. So this is yeah. So IP 192.168.10.10. Okay, and subnet mask and our default gateway. Okay, 10.1. You can see configuration successfully, so I can check now. You can see 192.168.10.10 our PC IP address and our default gateway 10.1. Okay, so I can now go to PC2 and same configuration. Okay, IP 192.168. Okay, 10.11 and our subnet mask and our default gateway. Okay, default gateway 10.1 and configuration successful. Now I can check show IP. Sorry, show IP. You can see our configuration 10.11 IP address and default gateway 10.1. Okay, so now go router 1. Okay, so first of all I can assign router 1, router 2 and router 3 IP address. Okay, so you can see this is our local IP address 10.100 fast ethernet 0 by 0. So we can go to router 1 and open CLI. Okay, so waiting sometimes. Yeah, now I configure uh, router. Okay, enable configure terminal. We can go configure terminal and interface fast ethernet 0 by 0, our IP address 192.168.10.100 and subnet mask, then no shutdown. Okay, then interface our fast ethernet 0 by 1. Okay, interface fast ethernet 0 by 1 and IP address 1.1.1.1 255.255.255.0 and no shutdown. Okay, no shutdown. Then we exit and check now. So sometimes we waiting. Okay, so I go to second router and open CLI and type no. This is our router enable timing. Okay, so don't worry. Same way we can configure our router too. Okay, so enable config terminal interface fast ethernet 0 by 0 IP address 192.168.10.200 subnet mask we now assign. Okay, and no shutdown. Then I interface fast ethernet. Okay, our fast ethernet interface. interface or fast Ethernet 0 by 1, okay, then IP address 2.2.2.1 and our subnet mask and no shutdown, okay, then we exit now, okay, then go to our router 3, go to router 3 and no, waiting sometimes, enable router, okay, it's too much timing, so I'm waiting sometimes. So yeah, our router enable config terminal, okay, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0, our IP address 1.1.1.2 and subnet mask, okay, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1, okay, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 1, IP address 2.2.2.2 255.255.255.0, okay, then no shutdown, then we exit now, okay, and our loopback, so I configure our loopback, interface loopback 0, okay, IP address, our IP address 5.5.5.5 255.255.255.255, then no shutdown, okay, then we are now exit. So now I configure uh, BLGP, okay, so BLGP, what is BLGP? First of all, you understand what is BLGP. BLGP, it means emergency protocol, okay. Suppose your PC, this is your PC, you send a message loopback, okay, or I mean ISP, so you can ping this message, so this message this way to go, okay. Unfortunately this cable down, then uh, this message used this virtual IP and use this line, okay. I hope you understand. So go to our router 1. So our router 1. So go to our router 1 and configuration BLGP, okay. Enable config terminal interface our local ID address. I mean local cable, okay, interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. Then BL, okay, BLGP, okay, BLGP 10 IP, which IP, our virtual IP 10.1, okay, 192.168.10.1, sorry, BL interface facility 0 by 0. So now I configure, okay, sometimes wait, GLBP, sorry, GLBP, we can now GLBP assign, okay, yeah, so GLBP, okay, GLBP 10 IP 192.168.10.1, okay, this is our virtual IP, okay, then we write in GLBP, okay, GLBP 10 priority I can 150, then GLBP 10 print, okay, then end. So this is our configuration, okay. So you can see our configuration router 1 successfully, okay, standby, you can see standby active show. So now we go to router 2, okay, now we go to router 2 and enable and Interface fast Ethernet 0/0. Okay, then GLBP10 IP 192.168. Okay, 168.10.1. Okay, then GLBP10 priority. Okay, priority we can now 120, because router 1 I can push 150, this router I can 120. Okay, you can see. Then GLBP 10 primed and end. Okay, so you can see our active. Okay, so now I can check. Okay, so show GLBP. So GLBP, you can see one state is standby. This router is standby. Okay, and now you check show GLBP, and this router is active. Which router active? Router 1 is active. So I can ping this router, then message way to 1.1.1 and 1.1.2 way using. Okay, not this way using, because this way is active. Okay, so I hope you understand where are you configurations GLBP. Okay, so thank you so much. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.